I have horrific earwax that gets to the point where it's hard to hear. None of the commercial over-the-counter products help. I'm an emergency room physician and usually I have the nurses at work help me out if there is downtime, but even that is often only a partial solution. There was a bit of a learning curve in maneuvering, and the ear canal is sensitive, but it was great to be able to do it myself in my house, and best of all, I can hear. I have been having earaches for the last 2 weeks. I asked my husband to take a look into my ear to see if anything was wrong. He stated there is a bunch of wax buildup in your ear. I finally decided to look up something to help get this wax out of my ear and found this Wax Removal. I tried it the first day and it is so fun to use. I did get the wax buildup out of ear. Come to find out it was the size of the tip of your pinky finger. My ear feels so amazing afterwards. I'm happy to say I have no more issues. Least to say this is as satisfying as pimple popping. Even my 2-year-old loves it. So I recently went to an ENT doctor and got a cleaning. Felt good afterward, but only less than a week later I would sometimes feel like there is a bug in my ear. So I took a shot with this mainly for the camera feature. The camera is pretty low quality, but it gets the job done. The tips it comes with are fine, although I wish they were a bit longer. Probably to minimize ear damage. All in all, I wish this had some sort of suction attachment to suck all the earwax out, but I think this is as good as it gets. Also, it is good to keep a little earwax, so you don't want to buy something so expensive that you'll use maybe a few times a year. Based on this, I say get it, be careful with it. Your browser does not support HTML5 video. For the first time, I fumbled around a bit to connect to Wi-Fi, but easy to do later on. Took photos but were not saved, wandered around until I found permissions and enabled download photos to cell phone. Gyroscope feature kept picture upright no matter how I twisted the endoscope, that's A+. Autofocus worked well. Used endoscope to see problem area with earwax, used OTC Brux droplets and a water flushing system that resembles a spray bottle with thin tube attached, used endoscope to see results. This saved me $89 at the 24-hour medical clinic for earwax removal every few months. Little bit nervous at first about sticking metal into my ear canal. Baby steps, try not to bruise sensitive tissue of the ear canal. A-OK. I charge the unit through a USB port on my computer. I wanted to see inside my head, so I bought this. I was surprised at how clean my ear already were. I was able to take a picture and share it with all of my family. The plastic scoop is soft and gentle. The camera is clear. Comes with charger and replacement tips/scoops. App has video, photo options, for your new profile pic or Insta. This little sweetheart pulled out a heck of a plug for me. That ear had always felt a little off, and when my primary care told me I had wax buildup, I said yeah. The two things I dislike about it are that you have to use its Wi-Fi to connect instead of Bluetooth. Also, my ears are small in diameter, so reaching to get to the depths hurts a lit. My guess is that might be purposeful so people don't jam it into their tympanic membrane. This product is easy to use. I had multiple ear surgeries over the years and the last one was giving me problems, done in January 2020. With this product I was able to look closer to the ear canal and I was able to establish that a new appointment for the ENT was a must. Sure enough, the ENT confirmed it was infection forming. Now I wonder why I didn't look for something like this years ago. Even thought I use it only to check out my ear. The person who recommended to me uses it to remove earwax with the included attachments. Click link in description for more reviews.